Did you know that cash flow issues are the #1 killer of new small businesses? That's why in this video, I'm breaking down what you need to know about managing cash flow from the beginning of your business so that you're setting yourself up for success and you're not going to be another statistic of a small business that fails because of cash flow crunch issues. So we're going to break this down. Even if you have no business experience, if you have no financial background, you're not an accountant, don't worry. This video is for you. We're here for new small business owners to help you get started on the right foot and understand what it takes to manage cash flow for your business so that you're set up for success. So we're going to break this down right now. All right, welcome to today's talk about do's and don'ts of managing cash flow. It's an essential guide for any new business. Managing cash flow might seem like a complex topic, but think of it as just managing your budget or your personal budget. You have some experience with that, right? You need to know how much money you're getting in, how much you're spending, and how much you need to save for something big in the future. Today, we'll break it down into simple, actionable tips that anyone can understand. So let's ensure your business's financial health stays strong, which is going to allow you to grow and succeed in this competitive business landscape. All right, up first, let's talk about the do's of cash flow management. So #1 is understand your cash flow, right? So imagine your business as a big piggy bank. You need to know how much money goes in and out. You can use simple tools or software to track this daily or weekly. The thing that you should look at in your accounting system is your statement of cash flows. Your statement of cash flows report is going to show just that. It's going to be separate from your P&L and your balance sheet, showing how much cash came in and how much cash is going out. Every system has this type of report in it. So just look at your accounting system to see what that looks like. It's going to really help. The other thing you can use is your business bank balance. You can look at your business banking tools, and a lot of them will show just your cash flow over a period of time. That's going to help you understand, hey, is more money coming in than is going out, and adjust accordingly. #2, you should keep an emergency fund. Just like in your personal life, or if you're saving up for something big, you have to have that money for an unexpected event. Aim to have enough saved to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses in your business just in case something happens. #3, think about what you want to spend on in the future. Maybe it's new equipment, hiring more people, or advertising. Make a plan on how you're going to save for those expenses based on the cash flow of your business. #4, you've got to be smart about spending. Before you spend money, ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it help my business grow? Or is this something that can wait? This discipline is critically important. Sometimes buying something cheaper or delaying a purchase can help you save more money for important things, and especially if you don't have that emergency fund built into your business bank balance yet. #5, collect payments quickly. Just like a reminder to your friends to pay back that money they borrowed, make sure your customers pay you on time. Offer incentives for early payments, upfront payments, and make sure that you have the right processes in place to collect payments from customers who are more delayed in paying so that they pay on time every time. Collecting that cash for the services or products you've sold is going to be imperative for funding more orders and keeping your business healthy and running effectively. Now let's talk about the don'ts of cash flow management. Don't mix your personal and business finances. Keep your business money and personal money in separate accounts. It's like having 2 wallets, one for your personal spending and one for your business. This makes tracking everything way easier. Hey, quick break. If you don't have a website yet for your business, click on the link below to Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month for a simple professional small business website. All right, #2, don't ignore your budget. If you plan to spend only a certain amount on supplies, stick to it. Going over budget is like eating too much candy on Halloween or on Easter. Hey, we just had that holiday, so it's on my mind. It feels good at first, but it can lead to problems later. Don't forget to review expenses regularly. So regularly check on the money you're spending on. And sometimes you'll find that you have things you don't really need, right? And you can easily get rid of that software you don't need any longer, or those supplies that you're not really using. Next, this is a big one. Don't rely on high interest debt. Avoid using credit cards or loans with high interest for your business expenses, right? It's like borrowing money that's really going to hurt to pay back. And next up, don't ignore financial reports. Even if it seems boring, regularly look at your statement of cash flows, your profit and loss, and your balance sheet and your bank balance. Regularly looking at these reports about your money is key, all right? It's like getting your report card. It shows how well your business is doing and where you can improve. So managing cash flow doesn't have to be complicated. Think of it as managing your personal budget just on a bigger scale. And if you follow these simple do's and don'ts, you can keep your business financially healthy and on the path to success. Remember, it's about being aware of what comes in, what goes out, and making smart decisions about your money. Thanks for joining today's webinar, and here's to helping your business thrive. Wishing you mighty success, and we'll catch you in the next video as we teach you how to create more visibility for your small local business online to help you grow in and help that cash keep coming in.